Hello, this is a short tutorial video on how to place a phone call using the Grandstream phone. You have two options to place a call. You can simply pick up the receiver. You will hear dial tone. And when you do, you can enter your 10-digit number. And then you can wait for it to time out and it will dial the number, or you can hit dial and it will do it right away. You can see when it is, it's then connected to the call when this screen appears on how much it is, like the time and things like that. It says the number that you're on. The other option, I'm going to end this call by hanging up. The other option is to press the speakerphone button. You can hear that the volume is very loud. I'm going to use the volume control here to turn things down. So then you can dial the number. The other option is to dial using the speakerphone button, which is in the bottom right corner. You can control your audio up and down. You're going to dial the 10-digit number. You can hit dial and it does it immediately, or you can wait for the timeout. When it's connected, it's the same thing. You can actually hear the person that you're talking to, and they would actually be able to hear you if you picked up the phone as well. So, and then you can hit end call, or you can hit your speakerphone button to end that call.